Let me ask you something honestly. You create consistently, you post your work, people like it. They even say things like, "Oh, it's so beautiful, you're so talented, amazing work you have done." But when it comes to money, the result is silence. No inquiries, no conversions, no consistent income. And the question that quietly scares you is, what am I doing wrong? Today, I want to tell you the real reason your art is not paying you. I know it is not because of your art. I know it is not because of your art is not good enough. And this conversation might make you uncomfortable, but it will also set you free. Let me share a painful truth. Your art is not paying you because you're treating it like an expression, not like a solution. And most artists are deeply emotionally attached to their work, and that is beautiful. But here is where the problem starts. You're focused on what you want to create, what feels aligned, what looks good to you. The market, however, doesn't pay for your emotions. The market pays for clarity and relevance. People don't wake up thinking, "I am going to support an artist today." You know what actually they think? "I want peace, I want beauty in my space, I want healing, and I want something meaningful." Or maybe few people, "I want to learn something valuable in creativity." If your art doesn't clearly answer why someone should pay you, money will never flow, no matter how talented you are. Let me break another illusion. Likes that you receive are not proof of value. Compliments are not commitment. Most artists confuse attention with conversion. You might be getting views, appreciations, saves also, but you are missing trust, authority, clear invitation. Why? Because you are not leading people. You are hoping they will decide. And hope is not a business strategy. And if people do not know what are you offering, who it is for, what outcome it gives, why you are different, they'll admire you, but they will scroll away. And for women artists, there is one more layer. You feel guilty for charging. You feel scared for being judged. You may even start worrying about what will people say? Am I asking for too much? Who am I to charge for this? So what happens is you keep the prices low, you over deliver, you say yes to everything and say no to yourself. And then wonder why your art feels like draining instead of freeing you. Let me share a harsh truth. If you don't respect your art financially, no one else will. Money is not dirty. Money is energy and validation. Avoiding money conversations doesn't make you spiritual, it makes you stuck. Remember, sales is spiritual. You know the real reason your art is not paying you? You don't have a clear business identity as an artist. You might be an amazing creator, a passionate learner, a sincere teacher too. But the market will see you as someone who makes nice art. Nice doesn't sell, specific sells. When you don't define your role, the audience won't know it either. Are you a professional artist, a trainer, a healer, a mentor, or an art brand? What exactly are you? Until you decide, the money stays confused. Let me share a reframe that changes everything for you. Your art doesn't need more exposure. Your art needs better positioning. Positioning means clear messaging, clear audience, clear outcome, clear confidence. The moment you stop saying, "I just make art," and start saying, "This is what my art does for you," when you start doing it, everything will change. Confidence rises, pricing stabilizes, inquiries become intentional. This is not luck, this is structure. Let me share what I have seen again and again. Artists who get guidance, they stop guessing, they stop copying, they stop doubting. They don't wait for motivation, they follow a roadmap. While others, they keep watching free content for years. Successful artists have always stopped trying to figure it all alone and they seek proper guidance. And you know what? Staying confused is a choice. This is not for artists who want comfort. This is for artists who want control of themselves and their art and their business. And the control that I mean here covers income, time, decisions, self respect. If you want your art to pay you, you must stop treating it like a side thought. You don't need permission, you actually need direction. If this video felt like I was speaking directly to you, then my art business coaching is designed exactly for artists who are done struggling, who are done with undercharging, and who are done with feeling invisible. This program is about turning art into a structured, sustainable business without selling your soul. I have given all the details in the description. And remember this, your art is powerful, but power without direction stays unused. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.